So we have 12 divided by 3. Now we already know how to divide by sharing, so we could draw 3 circles and then share out our blocks and see how many blocks we have in each circle. But we're not going to do that because today we're going to look at a different kind of division, which is division by grouping. So we have 12 divided by 3, so we're going to make groups of 3 and then see how many groups we have. So with 12 blocks we can make 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now dividing by grouping is what we're doing when we use a number line to divide, and this is very similar to using a number line to multiply. So we can count up in steps of our divisor, which is 3, until we get to our dividend, which is 12. So we can count up 3, 6, 9, 12, and then we look at how many jumps we've made. So we've made 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps, so 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now let's look at 16 divided by 2. So if we're dividing by grouping, what are we going to do? We're going to group these blocks into groups of 2, and then we're going to see how many groups we have. So we can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. And how can we show 16 divided by 2 on a number line? We can count up in steps of 2 until we get to 16 and then see how many jumps we made. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps altogether to get to 16. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now pause the video and see if you can divide 20 by 4. So if we're grouping, we need to make groups of 4 from these 20 blocks. So we can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. And how can we divide on a number line? Well, we count up in steps of the divisor until we get to the dividend. So we count up in steps of 4 until we get to 20, and then we count how many jumps we made. So let's count up 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps, so 20 divided by 4 is 5.